Hey guys, Joey here with World of RV Parts. Today we're talking about the Dometic WH-6GA. There's several different model numbers, but this is the 6-gallon version. And what has happened in the RV industry, just so you're all aware, Dometic has acquired Atwood. So when you go to replace your Atwood, it's actually going to get replaced with a Dometic. And on the 6-gallon versions, you do need to buy a door conversion kit. That's one of the purposes of this video. Also, another purpose is just to give you a little bit of information about it. So, one of these, some information, some quick tips on this, guys, is it has a 10,000 BTU input, electronic ignition, gas burner system. You can get it with a gas and electric version. This specific model is actually just the gas model, so it runs on propane only. So the anode rod is not required on these. So that's another benefit. You know, a lot of people don't know. They just think that all RV water heaters need anode rods. We can jump into some specifications here really quick. Model obviously is WH-6GA. Um, and the heating method is gas. We've reviewed that. The door is not included. You do need to buy it separately. And a Dometic 6-gallon door service kit is looks like, let me pull up part number real, because you do need the actual conversion piece. So trying to pull up some specs. The SKU number, or the model number per se, for the 6-gallon door conversion kit is 96100003139. We will post links to both the water heater and the door in the bottom of the video if you guys are in the market for a new water heater and try to get you the best price possible. You can either buy it from us or one of our competitors. We will even be listing them in the links as well. Until next time, thanks for watching. Safe travels.